afternoon to everyone. Today we are going to discuss about debate about is English is very essential for success in India. According to me, so English is very essential to everyone for getting a good job, for building a career, and also this language is very helpful to build our skills, communication skills, personality development, and also helps to uh, it is a main language to interact with others. It is also helps for higher education, uh, and getting a good job in anywhere. So this is essential for all the human beings. Thank you.
Yeah,
English is essential for success in India. Yes, it is very useful to everyone, like higher educational, career building, and companies, multinational companies. Mostly they choose English, so definitely it should be essential. Uh, Most of the people can talk each other. We don't know other states and all. We can speak in English. Then only we can communicate each other. So that's why it is essential. And also, whenever go to other traveling, other business purpose and educational purpose, study, and other, uh, mostly can use English only. So that's why it is much essential.
According to me also, English is essential for in India, because when someone target to achieve the international studies, international business, taking example of me or me only, if I have to uh, target a big companies or IT companies, I have to be professional, fluent in English only, because they have the customers from the out of India, which only helps through English to communicate with them. So yeah, it is essential for higher studies, and also for the communication with others.
Competitive exams also.
Yes, English is important for our life, and like competitive exam, UPSC, CSE, UPSC, CSE, like all competitive exam used for English. And in good city, if you know English, then another people are more respect. So it is English is essential for our life.
Yeah, English is the most important things in India. It's a global communication for in IT companies, for social networking, is and and confidence of social respect. This is important for English. Essential for.
yeah. So, as a counterpart, let us ask our Sanjay, what do you think about it? Do you
Let
agree
me
with it?
tell first, it is essential or not. So hi friends. So in my opinion, English is not essential. It is only required in corporate world. Apart from corporate world, English not required, because so many field is there, like UPSC, so many other language aspirants cracking the UPSC, the state examination also, and in teaching line, like Hindi teacher, Sanskrit teacher, any other language teacher, there is not required English. So in my opinion, English is not required. So there is so many examples like China. China is a developed country, but our country is developing. So China, in whole China, they are using the Chinese language. South Korea, Russia, they are using their own language, not English, but they are developed. So these are the so many examples. So in my opinion, English is not essential for
Can
our
you
growth.
answer? You have taken the example of China. Can you say that how they communicate with the other countries? Or talking with the Chinese only?
No, I
And
said,
also India.
I said,
You said
only corporate world,
only
not
corporate.
all.
Yeah, that's what
Not
I
only
asked.
corporate
Only
world,
corporate,
just
not
Bangalore.
rural
Bangalore.
also.
I'm
Not
I'm-
corporate world
my
only.
question is if
This
China
article
use
is
only
very
Chinese
important for
language,
English.
then how they communicate with other countries in the world?
So China is developed or not?
China is
China-
developed. My question first
Have you
understand my
visited
question.
China or Russia?
No.
You are taking my
Very-
question in wrong way. Just listen to my words. How China communicate with other countries in the world?
No,
In
some
which language?
some
in
man-
Chinese.
No, some management people is there.
Ah.
They communicating with client.
There is,
But
at that
but
point,
engineer, scientist, they all are using their own language.
at that point, English is essential.
Yes.
No, their own language means Chinese or Russian or Japanese.
No.
In India, you are talking.
Mm.
It is
Means just take an
Yeah.
example.
Mhm.
China wants to talk with us.
essential for
They don't
success
know
in India.
English. They don't know
Chinese.
Hindi.
Ah.
They have to communicate somehow with us. Then we don't know Chinese. Then how we will? How
Only
they will-
some people need to interact with us.
No,
Getting my point?
no, everyone can
Not every Chinese know
essential
English.
Not every Chinese.
In India also, not everyone know the English or Hindi.
I am just taking the scenario where is the English essential in that point. Okay, and if you let me give one example. If you are a Chinese citizen, let me complete. If you are a Chinese citizen and you want something that is not in your Chinese world, that whenever we use something, the technology, if that is invented and the publication is introduced in the English, then that point you have to use English only.
Sarwan, you are talking about only corporate world.
I am not.
Apart from
And
I am not-
corporate world,
We are
And
not,
our
not
topic on
talking about
India.
there are lots of
Yeah.
opportunity.
in rural also.
I am
many
just-
Our topic
many
on India, so let's keep that on India only. Why are taking?
What?
in the educational purpose, they're choosing the English language, right?
Yeah, right.
Yeah,
What,
definitely
what,
it is essential.
what was your point?
And job
My
purpose
point
also
was
choosing
that
the job.
Our topic
English.
is on India, right? So why
Is
you are
English
doing-
essential for
essential
success in India?
success.
In India.
Essential
So
for
keep it in
success
India,
in
na, why
India.
you are
He took the example. I am saying. I
No.
pointed that point. I am not disagreeing with
Okay.
you. Okay.
Okay.
First
It
clarify
is
with
right.
your teammate only.
Essential, right? Essential for success in India.
Yeah.
It is correct. Right? Yeah, she
No,
agreed.
no,
I
UPSC exam, other language option is available or not?
just one
Suppose
question.
In
Just,
case
yes,
language-
educational
One-
purpose.
just one
Sorry,
question.
one-
In
yeah.
which language now you are talking? Why
English.
why are
why
you
are you using
here?
English? Why not?
See,
Why
we
are you
not
guys
a-
here?
We are all
not the-
belongs from
Medium
corporate
for
world.
job.
That's why we are here.
Yeah.
And then
If we selected
Yeah,
Hindi,
you want to essential to
So,
study
any government
English.
job is
That's
for
why you
English?
came for English.
yeah, they are now
Success-
forcing.
yeah.
Not forcing means they are suggesting.
English
Because
is a
sometimes sometimes they may encounter people they don't know any language, they know English.
No,
Language is only a social biasness. Any person can be successful in India without English also. The English is like social biasness nowadays.
No,
And
not
there are
social
many
biasness.
examples like Vidyan Ambani.
Hmm.
He also not know the English, but he is successful.
I give it-
No.
I
They
got
can
it.
use,
Let-
English
He not
and
take
Marathi.
English,
It's not
Shweta.
a English.
Shweta, I got your point. I got your. Do you know the difference between the efficiency? What question, sir?
Essential.
Essential.
Essential and compulsory.
Yeah.
English is not compulsory to become to become success in India,
Yeah.
but it is essential. There is a difference.
Definitely.
We are not saying that
Let
it
me
is
give,
compulsory.
let me give one real example. One Hindi aspirant cracked the examination and went to interview. So interviewer give water in a
Glass of water.
glass
Glass
water.
of water.
So that aspirant told, I want this water in a steel glass. Because the interviewer asked, why you want in a steel glass? Both are water. So aspirant
I
said,
remember your story.
yeah.
Let me finish.
Then
I
English
don't know.
is, yeah.
Please continue.
Then English is not essential. Yeah,
No,
it is.
you
It is
can't.
an option.
It is
If
definitely
it is-
essential.
Yeah, you first
If
understand
you-
the word of essential. Essential means when you pursue the English language, you can open your doors to the maximum.
If
Okay,
Yeah, essential
that is what
means-
essential means.
if you well in any